Okay, for this session, basically we will actually be working on to the client side and the bypass front end restriction. But for this particular session, you will actually need to launch your Zap. Alright, so I have my Zap running at the back over here and have it integrate to your browser. I'm using Firefox, but other browsers should work the same. You can read up on the first particular page. I will just jump into the second page on the field restriction. Now, of course, for browser, there's always a lot of field restriction here, and if you look at the task down here, we are supposed to send a request that bypass restriction on 4 of these fields. So they are actually looking at this drop down combo, or like this option fields, like checkbox, and this input restriction field. So to do this, you don't have to change anything inside here, inside the form. But what I will do is I will need to set a breakpoint. I need to break the inside the zap, and then intercept all the fields data and have it change. Okay, so I'll just set the break, click submit. I will see all the input, but for all this input I can actually make any changes I want to the data inside. Right, even the checkbox, and then I'll just let it go once. And if I go back to the form, I will see a tick mark over here, and I will see a congratulation message at the bottom. So basically, for a client, in this case a browser, uh, the user actually have a lot of control. So just using basic restriction on the browser is not going to improve security much.